Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Thrifty Tashi. Today I'm doing a coffee review by the company Javy Coffee Concentrate. Here it is right here. And since I'm a coffee lover, especially, I enjoy a good hot cup of coffee on a daily basis. I also enjoy cold brew as well. I'm going to give y'all my honest opinion about this coffee concentrate. I'm going to show y'all how it was packaged and how it tastes. Overall, giving y'all my honest review if you should purchase this item or not. So all of the information will be linked in my description box below. All right, so let's get to tasting, y'all. So here's the 6 ounce of Javy coffee concentrate in this little glass bottle. I'll say, let's see, packs a punch. Okay, the directions. Get started. Simply take 1 to 2 teaspoons of microdose and mix it with your favorite liquid for a perfect cup of coffee. Suggestion, start with 1 teaspoon per 6 ounce of liquid, okay? Adjust the serving size to your liking. Do not drink from the bottle or consume the whole bottle in one serving. And it also shows you about storage. Keep refrigerated after opening. Use within 6 weeks of opening. All right, so y'all can check out the website right here, javycoffee.com, for a full description, but I'm excited to try this. All right, now I don't think this glass, but it also came in this cute little pouch with some, is this metal or copper? I think it's copper drinking straws with the little tip at the top and a little straw cleanser. And this is how the package looks. So it's nicely sealed, bubble wrap paper. I have my mason jar with ice, and I'm just going to simply add some almond milk, vanilla, and I also have some silk almond creamer, salted caramel. I love anything with caramel flavor to it. Just add that as well. Okay. Now it's time to add the concentrate. All right, so I just took off the top. I broke the seal and everything. And the smell is amazing. It smells like a coffee shop. It smells so good. I can't wait to try this. So I'm just gonna add 1 heaping tablespoon of the concentrate to my liquids. Look how dark it is. I'm just trying to make sure I get all that coffee concentrate off my spoon because I want all of the flavor to be there. All right, so now I'm going to taste, give y'all my honest review. Y'all. This is so good. This is really, really good. If you're a coffee lover like myself, Javy is a must try. The way I could describe their coffee concentrate is bold. It doesn't require you to add much. As y'all saw, I only did 1 heaping tablespoon of the concentrate, and I just simply add almond milk and the salted caramel creamer, all silk brand, and I taste the coffee. It's really bold, but it's smooth at the same time, and it's so delicious, y'all. What I love about it as well is that I save money. Time to time, when you keep going to Starbucks, $6 add up. I went to Starbucks for a whole week, and it was like 30-something dollars I spent on iced coffee or hot coffee. Waste of money. So if you're a person that's striving to live like an overall thrifty lifestyle, I highly recommend this as well. It's like real, genuine coffee shop kind of coffee, and you just can't beat that. You can't beat that. Just that good quality cup of coffee at home, or you can take it with you as you go to work. So that's what I love about trying this product, Javy. It just made me realize I can have a good cup of iced coffee at home as well. So thank you, Javy, so much for reaching out to me. to try your product. I am so happy I did. So that's going to wrap it up with this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments, are you a coffee lover like myself? I would love to hear from you. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Stick around and subscribe. I love to share how I live a thrifty lifestyle overall. And by making my own iced coffees, it's a good start. All right, y'all, be blessed. And I'll chat with y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.